Movie, we're going to demonstrate how to do the workflow assignment. On the left-hand side, we can see that there's a couple of business units. The first one is contractor 1, contractor 2, and let's demonstrate create another team. For the purpose sake, let's say you create a team that could be the internal, and let's say administrator in charge of it, and we need a little bit more. Let's say worker 1. Now we can see that now we got the other teammate as the business unit. Now let's look at the infrastructure. Let's go to the front page and administration, and we see the location. In our location, we cover the whole Hong Kong area. So in Hong Kong, we have, let's say we divide in region 1. Let's see what we got. Region 1 is some of the location that we want to cover. Let's say for the task, and when we go back up, and another region. So we define all the locations, assuming in Hong Kong region we have only 2 regions. Each region has its own location. Now let's start with some workflow assignment. Now in here, I just want to demonstrate is that let's say we start with in here you can see that let's say this one is ad hoc task and it covers all the location in Hong Kong. It's done by the contractor 1. Right? Okay, now however, we want to do a little bit different is that let's say we want to get a rules to the ad hoc. Contractor 1 do all the workflow in the region in Hong Kong now, but I want to, for a particular case, region 1, I want to assign to task A. Okay, let's see what we got. What it's saying is that in the ad hoc task, originally it started all the job to contractor 1. Now with the new lines of assignment, except the region 1's task will assign to team A. Now let's start and see what happens. Let's say create a new task, and this one is ad hoc, and the location, and I assume this one is let's see what we got. Now as we can see that this work now is assigned to the team A rather than the contractor 1. So that's how we do the workflow step, so that we can route all the tasks automatically to the right contractor. So that's how we do it. And let's see is the workflow how we define it. Yes, exactly. The ad hoc job for the region 1 is done by is assigned to team A. Okay, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.